Hey there, science fans! Get ready for an adventure into a world so small you need a microscope to see it. It's the world of microorganisms and it's full of surprises. These tiny living things are everywhere and they play a huge role in our lives, even if we can't see them with our naked eyes. Imagine a world teeming with billions upon billions of tiny creatures, too small to see without a powerful microscope. These little critters, called microorganisms or microbes for short, are everywhere. They live in the soil, air, water, and even inside you and me. Don't let their size fool you. These microscopic marvels are busy at work all around us, playing important roles in our environment and our lives. Some are our friends, keeping us healthy and helping to make delicious food. Others can be a bit pesky, causing things like spoiled milk or even making us sick. Get ready to explore the amazing world of microorganisms. We'll learn about the different types of microbes, discover their superpowers, and find out how these tiny titans impact our world in a big way. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are microorganisms? They're teeny, tiny living things that are way too small to be seen with just our eyes. We need special tools like microscopes to magnify them and see their amazing shapes and structures. Even though they're small, microorganisms are super important. They play a big role in keeping our planet healthy and running smoothly. They help break down dead stuff like fallen leaves and trees, recycling nutrients back into the environment. They help plants grow big and strong by providing them with essential nutrients from the soil. But that's not all. Some microorganisms live inside our bodies and help us digest food, fight off bad bacteria, and stay healthy. They are like tiny superheroes working behind the scenes. You might be surprised to learn that microorganisms are found almost everywhere on Earth. They can survive in some of the most extreme environments imaginable, from scorching hot deserts to freezing cold glaciers. They can live in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and even deep underground. Think about a scoop of soil. It may look like just dirt, but it's actually teeming with millions of microorganisms. These microbes help break down dead plants and animals, releasing nutrients that help new plants grow. They're like tiny recyclers, keeping our planet clean and healthy. Microorganisms also thrive in water. From oceans and lakes to rivers and ponds, these aquatic adventurers play a vital role in maintaining the balance of life. They help purify water, provide food for other creatures, and even influence the Earth's climate. And guess what? Your body is a bustling metropolis for microorganisms. Millions of these tiny tenants live on your skin, in your mouth, and in your gut. Don't worry, most of them are friendly and help keep you healthy. Section 4. The good guys, helpful microorganisms. Not all microorganisms are bad guys. In fact, many of them are incredibly beneficial to humans, animals, and the environment. These friendly microbes play essential roles in our lives, even though we rarely see them. One of the most important jobs of helpful microorganisms is breaking down organic matter. They're like nature's recyclers, decomposing dead plants and animals into simpler substances that can be used again by other living things. Without these decomposers, our planet would be buried in waste. Some microorganisms are also essential for food production. For example, yeast is a type of fungus that helps bread rise and gives it its fluffy texture. Bacteria are used to make yogurt, cheese, and other fermented foods that are not only delicious but also good for our digestion. Did you know that some microorganisms can even help clean up pollution? Scientists are exploring the use of microbes to break down harmful pollutants in soil and water, offering a natural and eco-friendly way to remediate contaminated environments. Section 5. Delicious discoveries, microorganisms in food production. Get ready for a tasty section all about how microorganisms help us make some of our favorite foods. These tiny chefs play a crucial role in transforming raw ingredients into delicious treats. One of the most well-known examples is yeast. Yeast is a type of fungus that loves to feed on sugars. When yeast eats sugar, it produces carbon dioxide gas, which makes bread dough rise and gives it that light and airy texture we all love. But that's not all. Bacteria are also essential for making yogurt, cheese, and other fermented foods. These helpful bacteria convert lactose, which is milk sugar, into lactic acid, which gives these foods their tangy flavor and creamy texture. Fermented foods are not only delicious, but also good for our gut health. Next time you enjoy a slice of pizza or a bowl of yogurt, remember to thank the tiny microorganisms that helped make it possible. Section 6. Tiny helpers for a healthy body. Did you know that your body is home to trillions of microorganisms? It's true. These tiny creatures, mostly bacteria, live on our skin, in our mouths, and especially in our guts. Don't worry, most of them are friendly and actually help keep us healthy. These friendly microbes, often called good bacteria, play a crucial role in our digestion. They help break down food, produce vitamins, and keep our gut healthy. A healthy gut is important for our overall well-being, as it influences our immune system, metabolism, and even our mood. Scientists are learning more and more about the amazing world of the gut microbiome, the collection of all the microorganisms living in our intestines. They believe that a balanced and diverse gut microbiome is key to good health. Remember to thank these tiny helpers for keeping you healthy. Section 7. The not-so-friendly microorganisms. While many microorganisms are beneficial, some can be harmful and cause diseases. These troublemakers are often called germs. They can spread through the air, water, food, or contact with infected people or animals. One type of harmful microorganism is bacteria. While many bacteria are helpful, some can cause infections like strep throat, ear infections, and food poisoning. Viruses are another type of microorganism that can make us sick. They are much smaller than bacteria and can cause illnesses like the flu, colds, and chickenpox. Fungi are another group of microorganisms that can sometimes cause problems. While many fungi are harmless, some can cause skin infections like athlete's foot or ringworm. Protozoa are single-celled organisms that can also cause diseases such as malaria and giardia. It's important to remember that not all microorganisms are bad, and even the harmful ones play a role in the balance of nature. However, it's crucial to protect ourselves from the ones that can make us sick.